So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers to Google Doc. Okay, so let's say I'm on my Google Docs over here and I have these pages of document without a page number, as you can see. So all you need to do to add a page number is to come to insert over here, go to format, come to page numbers, and then you can specify how you want the page numbers position to be. Is it at the header or at the footer? And you can show on the first page if you want, or you can uncheck this if you don't want the first page to show the page number. Let's say I want to show the page number, and then you can specify the numbering to start at number 1, or you can go to 0, for example, or you want to start 1 or continue from a previous section. You can do that as well. And once you're okay with this, let's say I want the footer type and then show on first page as well. Once I hit on apply and you come down here, be able to see it. So this is the page number. You can see this is the footer type. Okay, different first page. If you want, you can check on this and you can use this footer format, page numbers, and then if you want to remove the footer as well. So once you click out, you see I now have my page number. Okay, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and so on. All right, so if you want to remove the page number, so I'll double click in here, come to option and say remove footer, and your page number is gone. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.